This is the Glowe Industries EGLW 7 kit with wheel well add-on. Now we're going to turn it on. The purpose of this is to show you guys the points here at the bottom are very crucial in getting set up correctly, and I'll explain that here in a second, because if you don't have all this set up correctly, your colors go haywire. So let me put it on a solid color real quick as it cooperates with me. So we're going to leave it green for right now. We're going to go back. We're simply going to change one setting and the color changes. So when you get the kit, your setup should look like this. Now the other part is the pixels and the segments. So you can set up as many segments as you would like. So for this case, we're going to set up one, and we're going to say it has 41 pixels, and watch what the lights do. So now that I said that it only has 41 pixels, it only lights up part. Now I'll come back in here. We're going to change this back to 4 segments of 41 pixels. And everything works. So during the setup, as you can see, I have 164 pixels total. So this is the exterior kit with the well add-on. That gives me the 164 pixels. So if you end up stuck with like half of a segment of lights lit up, make sure to double check this setting.